VP, maayong hapon, happy kadayawan. Ma'am, unang-una, how was the experience? Ma'am, no, karon special because we also have friends from China and Malaysia. Kumusta nga to ang tribal village tour po?
Yes, I'm masaya ang tour natin ng Tribal Village dito sa Magsaysay Park sa Davao City. At masaya kong naulit yung pagbisita sa ating mga iba't ibang tribo kasama ang kanilang mga deputy mayors at kasama ang mga kapatid natin sa Indigenous Peoples Tribes at ating mga Moro tribes. Kaya this is a showcase of the traditional houses of the Indigenous Peoples Tribes and Muslim tribes of Davao City, and we shared it with our friends from the diplomatic community, particularly Malaysia and China.